In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android Auto not working. So let's get started. First, open your device settings and go to Connected Devices. From there, select Android Auto. Now, look for the startup settings. Set Start Android Auto automatically to either default or always. Then enable the option Start Android Auto while locked. You can also enable Start Music automatically if you'd like, although this step is optional. Next, go back to your main settings page and open Apps. Find and select Android Auto from the list. Tap on Permissions and make sure all required permissions are allowed. If any important permissions are disabled, enable them. After that, go back to the App Info page and tap on Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will remove temporary files and reset the app, which can help resolve common issues. Once that's done, return to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Confirm the action when prompted. Finally, restart your device and reconnect Android Auto, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Android Auto not working. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.